Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we're getting cozy with a design trend that has been blowing up: modern cottage. This beautiful style blends the warmth of tradition with the clean lines of contemporary design, creating a space that feels both inviting and stylish. Whether you crave a nostalgic haven or simply love the simplicity of modern aesthetics, modern cottage might be your perfect match. So grab a cup of tea, get comfy, and let's dive into how to bring this look into your own home. The foundation of any design starts with its color palette and materials. Modern cottage embraces a light and airy feel. So let's think about whites and beiges and soft grays for your walls and larger furniture pieces. This will create a sense of openness and allow you to add pops of color with accents of artwork later on. For materials, natural textures are key. Wood is your go-to, whether it is a light finish or even reclaimed wood for a touch of that rustic charm. Don't be afraid to incorporate elements of stone, brick, or even woven materials like jute or linen to add warmth and visual interest. The magic of modern cottage lies in its ability to seamlessly blend the past with the present. Embrace comfy, lived-in furniture with slip-covered sofas and armchairs. These pieces exude comfort, a core element of a cottage aesthetic. Don't be afraid to add some modern edge. A sleek coffee table or a statement light fixture can add a touch of sophistication. Vintage rugs, throw pillows, and artwork are fantastic ways to inject personality and a dash of history. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood in a modern cottage aesthetic. Embrace layered lighting to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Think woven pendant lamps for soft overhead illumination, exposed bulb sconces for a touch of industrial chic, and table lamps with linen shades for cozy reading nooks. And of course, don't forget the fireplace. Whether it's a traditional wood-burning fireplace or modern gas fireplace, it instantly adds a focal point and a source of warmth, both literally and figuratively. The finishing touches are where your space truly becomes yours. Fill your shelves with a curated collection of vintage finds, pottery, or family heirlooms. Woven baskets and bowls add texture and a touch of the natural world. Don't forget the power of textiles. Throw blankets in chunky knits and linen curtains add a sense of comfort and complete the look. Remember, layering is key. So here are some bonus tips to elevate your modern cottage. Maximize the use of large windows and glass doors to bring in plenty of sunlight. Open floor plans allow for a seamless flow between living spaces and enhance the sense of spaciousness. Choose furniture that serves multiple purposes, maximizing your space and keeping things tidy. Blend modern convenience with the cottage aesthetic by incorporating smart lighting or hidden outlets. Feeling stuck for inspiration? Here is a collection of images of mood boards, textures, and color palettes to help you visualize your dream space. So there you have it. Modern Cottage is all about creating a space that feels both cozy and stylish. By embracing the mix of traditional elements and contemporary design, you can create a home that is as warm and inviting as it is chic. I hope this video gave you some inspiration to bring the modern cottage aesthetic into your own space. If you're looking for more design tips and tricks, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join the community. Thanks for joining me today and happy decorating.